Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be talking about which measuring tape you should get and how to use it. I'm going to be listing some of the techniques that I found to be super handy that I didn't know that the measuring tape was able to do, but here are some of the things that I picked up from work. The hook at the end serves a couple of different purposes. It extends and retracts based on whether you're pressing it up against the surface or you're hooking it on the end. By doing so, it keeps the measurement accurate because it'll extend when you try to hook it on something and it'll retract when you're pressing it up against the surface. A technique I found super handy was measuring around a bend or a corner. And basically what you're doing here is you're feeding the measuring tape up the side of a wall towards the ceiling so you can measure a distance that you wouldn't normally be able to reach. So in this example, I extended the measuring tape long enough for me to feed it up against the wall, and I'm rolling it up against a ceiling and a wall. This allows me to get the measurement of somewhere along the ceiling where I wouldn't normally be able to reach by subtracting one end of the measuring tape from the other. When measuring ceiling heights, you can hook the measuring tape at the baseboard of the wall, and then you can just roll and feed the measuring tape up against the wall until it reaches the corner. I found the magnetic hook of the measuring tape super handy because when I am measuring up against until a metal surface, then it'll help stick it. Keep in mind when you're using a measuring tape, it's always a good practice to keep the measuring tape closer to a surface, and when you're looking at the marking, you should look as perpendicular to the measuring tape as you can. This will help prevent some inaccuracies when you're making measurements. Keep in mind that all measuring tapes should have a reading on the bottom side of the edge, which tells you the length of the measuring tape enclosure itself from end to end, so you can add that onto your measurement if you're up against the wall. Anyways, I hope that video helped anyone who's looking to use their measuring tape a little more effectively and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a thumbs up down below. If you have any comments or are more experienced in using a measuring tape, I would love to hear your tips on this as well. Feel free to comment in the section down below. Thanks so much guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.